I am going top lane.
Why?
Don't go top lane.
I am going top lane.
You shall not go top lane.
Just go
Why?
Garen jungle full
You
crit, why
now
not?
run it down mid. You are running down mid right now.
Okay, I'm running down mid.
I'm running down mid,
No,
goodbye.
I am
Look like
running
I'm
down
having
mid.
diarrhea.
No, I am down
I am running down mid!
Let's just run
No.
down mid the whole team.
Why?
I am
this
killing
guru
Atox.
is-
I don't know.
Stop laughing at my bang bang.
No, what the f you? I'm not playing Mobile Legends.
Why?
It was fun
You
when I
did
played it.
play Mobile
I
Legends
had
and
like
you said
3
Mobile
hexa
Legends
kills,
in
but
the...
Played him right there.
I
that
used
was
to-
a good outplay.
Hmm.
I used. Man, I'm going to die. Or am I? Yes, I am. Or
What was
Hmm.
that?
um.
Okay, I win. I win. Yes.
Nice
bored.
guys, it's coming bot lane again. I can't take it anymore.
Never
I
mind
am
this song.
going to use
Why
my.
is
Are we playing
why
against
is
Riot
Vex here? Why?
because Vex is champ. Why?
You are so brain rotted right now.
Wow, I got
Whatever.
an assist.
Damn.
Press R, press R.
Maybe not. Catch up to Kha'Zix right now. His W is so stupid.
I got a kill, I got a
Yeah,
kill, oh my god.
I am not catching
What
up to
the-
him. I am not. Okay, that's so stupid. I had Phantom Dancer activated. I have Berserker's Graves, and I still couldn't catch up to him because he W'd me. Like, why is that ability even a thing?